Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Sarah and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet." Hi Sarah. We're planning our wedding soon. We're having a small beach ceremony and then having a reception back home a couple of weeks later. I'd like to be able to make my bridesmaids' bouquets and ceremony centerpieces coordinate. They are wearing turquoise and Tiffany blue dresses. Ooh, that sounds so pretty. And I was thinking mostly white for the flowers with a hint of pink or peach here and there. Here's a picture of a bouquet I'm in love with. Do you think you could recreate this look at an affordable price? Looking forward to seeing what you can create. Thanks, Sarah. Well, Sarah, I'm going to show you how to recreate this bouquet for under 40 bucks. Can you believe it? Under $40. I believe it's $38 to be exact. I'm so excited to show you how to create this classic rose bouquet. All right, guys, let's get started. So first things first, we're going to create our foundation for a bouquet with a 6-inch half styrofoam ball as well as a straight bouquet handle. We're going to cut out a center section using our foam cutter of the styrofoam out of our half ball in order to fit our tip of our straight handle in nice and snug. Once you're happy with the fit, go ahead and apply hot glue and insert and allow it to dry for at least, 5 or 10 minutes before you move on to the next step. Once you've allowed the glue to dry, go ahead and attach your 8-inch satin bouquet collar right on top of there with a little hot glue, and your foundation is ready to go. A little quick tip, if you can't find a half ball, just buy a full ball, cut it in half, and guess what? You can make 2 bouquets for one price. So just a little helpful tip. I've added some large leaves. These are just leaves I had around. So don't necessarily go out and buy large leaves. See what you already have. See what's already attached to the flowers that you already have purchased for this bouquet and utilize them. Well, Sarah, what do you think? It's absolutely stunning. I think it's going to be the perfect accent to your bridesmaid or even your bridal dress. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you want an extra special notice, click on that little bell there and you will get a personal notification right from us the moment the videos are live. We are so appreciative of all of you watching. If there's something we can help you with, be sure to head on down to the description below, not only for the project cost, project links for the supplies, as well as if we can help you with the project. If you would like, you can continue to follow us on social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And don't forget, if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten discount account, what are you waiting for? It is free money. You are paid to shop. So if you haven't done it, it's super simple and it's absolutely free. FRRE. Head on down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchase, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping pleasure. It is fantastic. I use it myself. I just want to share it with you. In addition to that, you can check out our wonderful options on our own personal MissPlanIt.com shop. We have some fantastic DIY planners available for you. Some of you are taking full advantage of those, and I love reading the comments on how they are helping you. They're there exactly for you. But I have some little sneak peek for you. These are our new flowers, guys. I'm so excited. And if you want to be the first one to know when we launch them on our Amazon store, go ahead and sign up for our MissPlanIt.com newsletter, and you will get a special notification not only when our products go on sale, but you'll also get a notification for when we have special giveaways and just special free items on our website. So sign up on the newsletter. I'm so excited to share more about our future projects. And if you would like to just hang out some more, head on over to our MissPlanIt home channel, which is exclusively on our website, MissPlanIt.com, or click right there in that corner. It will take you there. That is where I do additional projects for just around my house, as well as the homes of my friends and family. And you can just come on over and hang out with me as I do that. I had such a blast with you guys this week. I am so excited for all the new things that are coming this year. And I think they're going to bless you just as much as they're going to bless me just to do them for you. So I'm just super, super excited. And I'm just so grateful that we have come so far. I mean, we are almost at 100,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. And I just want to thank all of you for taking the time to spend with us, because we know you have so many options on YouTube. It is our absolute pleasure. Don't forget that all the links to the supplies are right down below, so you don't have to wonder where we got them from. Just click on that description link and it'll take you right to them. And I cannot wait to share with you guys when we launch our product and how many different colors we get to start with. So we've been working super hard on them. I love them. As you can see, they are absolutely beautiful and so lifelike. I'm just super excited about it. And I hope you are too. So they're coming soon. They'll be here. They'll be in our store right on time for those spring, summer, and fall weddings coming up. So just stay tuned. Well, guys, that brings us to an end. And I'm just so grateful for this opportunity to get to spend time with you. And I just want to thank you again. So until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.